Having received the coordinates of enemy installations, the Kornet crews moved to the combat mission near the enemy's front line. During the battle, using roving gun tactics, the anti-tank missile systems obliterated the enemy's firing positions, armored facilities, permanent firing points, and other engineering structures. The target engagement was monitored by the UAV operators. The Kornet is an anti-tank guided missile, ATGM, system that was developed by Russia. It is designed to engage and destroy armored vehicles, including tanks, at ranges of up to 5.5 kilometers (3.4 miles). The Kornet missile system consists of a launcher, a thermal sight, and the missile itself. The missile has a tandem warhead that is designed to defeat modern armor protection, such as explosive reactive armor. The missile also has a high level of accuracy, which is provided by its semi-automatic laser guidance system. The Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov May 10 said operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery of the Russian group of forces have engaged 98 AFU artillery units, manpower, and hardware in 119 areas during the day. Russian air defense units have shot down one Su-27 airplane of Ukrainian Air Force near Izyum, Kherson region. Air defense systems have downed 4 HIMARS projectiles during the day. In addition, 10 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles were destroyed close to Avdiivka, Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 420 jet fighter and 230 helicopters, 4,062 unmanned aerial vehicles have been destroyed. Also 421 air defense missile systems, 9,067 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,098 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,780 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 10,103 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. The other side from Kiev, the armed forces of Ukraine said Russia lost 690 servicemen within a day, including 2 tanks, 18 armored fighting vehicles and 6 drones. In total, Kremlin lost 196,310 servicemen during Russia's full-scale aggression. Ukraine shows the crews of 18 separate army aviation brigades continue to carry out the assigned combat tasks. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 441 days. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky swears to repel all Russian invaders from Ukraine.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!